It's Billy's birthday tomorrow, he's 70. So the ones with Bonzo, happy birthday Bonzo, is a special happy birthday for the boys. Take it away. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Bonzo. Happy birthday to you. If you've got enough cup, can you go and sit down there? I'll tell you what, Can I just say, I'm having a lovely meal with my family tomorrow night, the granddaughters and the daughters and my wife. But I couldn't share this with better people than yourselves tonight. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Right. Boys and everyone, stand up. After this we've got the raffle, but please stand up for the national anthem and we're all going to join in there. Boys, come on, let's do it. Come on, let's do it, kid. Thank you. Big thank you to the boys again. Trevor, Billy, Dev, and our wonderful band at the back. Please line up to me as it walks on. Right, we're going to try and draw these out really quickly, so we'll do the eight numbers.